We got so amazing looking sunrise with the alpen glow and all of that, and the Jökulsárlón, this ice lagoon, is one of my favorite places in the whole world. Usually there is this cracking sound like thunder coming from the hitting icebergs, but this time it was so calm that we didn't hear anything, and it wasn't that turquoise blue I like normally because it's a little dirty from the volcano ash. Water is so pure that you can drink it right from the source without any problems. They even tested it once in a while and it tastes so good. How it took me 6 years to get this photo? Well, 6 years ago I were in Iceland and it was warmer than expected during that time of the year. We got to go to the ice cave anyway, but only to see it from outside, because it might collapse. During that time it did collapse in front of us, and probably I would not be here if we being inside. Forwarding my life 6 years to this moment, I got another chance, and first time traveling after pandemic. I got this iconic Instagram photo, and even the sun was smiling for me. Only minutes after this photo, sun disappeared behind the cloud and colors were washing away. I even half planned my outfit for this with those orange pants. I own orange jacket too, but decided not to take that to this trip. It worked anyway really good in my opinion. What you don't maybe see on these wonderful Insta photos is that this was packed full of people, masses going in and out on their turn. I really didn't have time to find perfect spot and it was restricted to go wherever. This turned almost perfect anyway. Eyes were a little dirty because of erupted volcano ash, which it didn't like 6 years ago. It was so much clearer then. These people are coming inside the cave, which we didn't get to go. Here they inflate the car tires automatically. In my opinion, this is worth a visit while it still exists. This was about 120 euros and about 3 hours. Got to experience four-wheel drive with these huge Icelandic tires also on this rough terrain. Only wish just a little more intimate visit with less crowds and more time to find that test spot. There is photograph tools with more of that I think, which cost more of course. Usually they find new ice caves every year and choose the best ones. This year it felt like every tour operator used this one big cave and had made even a parking lot about 40-minute walk away from the ice cave. Last time I were just driving directly to the ice cave without walking. Jökulsárlón ice cap is melting about 150 to 200 meters a year, so that means it was 1.2 kilometers longer during my last time visiting. Maybe next time it will be almost gone, who knows, on this space. So go there before it's too late. I don't know how much that cost, but that looks so good. That boat car thingy. I next time will try that one. Probably expensive though. This is at the Diamond Beach, so everybody goes here to watch those little rocks, not rocks, but you know, like ice melting from the Jökulsárlón Lagoon, which washes away to the shore on this black sand. Of course, I needed to take some Instagram photos, which is so Icelandic and iconic. And this is me running away from the car. In Iceland, they have like waterfalls everywhere, like people's backyards. It's just so normal that you get to used to it. This place near Wick is awesome. We went here like half accident, and it's more like 4-wheel drive, I think, but it's fine with the 2-wheel, and it's amazing with this troll-looking cave thingy and all the black sand going in the distance. You can see so far away. Hostel in Wick Buffy is like old, but it's comfortable and nothing wrong with it. And we just ate tortillas, and it's been a long day, like yesterday also, and the ice caving and stuff. As you saw, I haven't talked a lot, but I think it's just fine not to talk all the time. So now it's time to go to the swimming hall, which is closing like in 1 hour and 50 minutes. So it's outdoor swimming, but 23 degrees Celsius, and with sauna and hot tub, hot pool. So we are going there, and it's raining now. But yeah, let's go swimming. I don't know if I can take my GoPro with me, maybe. Which, by the way, with my big brother and with me, 7 and 8 both frozen. And my drone had problems and a lot of battery problems.